Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of kitchen renovations and exploring the top trends for 2023. Whether you're planning a complete overhaul or just a few updates, these ideas will help you transform your kitchen into a stylish and functional space. So let's get started. One of the biggest trends this year is the integration of smart technology into the kitchen. Imagine controlling your appliances with just a touch of your smartphone or using voice commands to preheat your oven. Smart refrigerators with built-in cameras, allowing you to see what's inside even when you're at the grocery store, are becoming increasingly popular. So, make your kitchen future-ready with these smart upgrades. Say goodbye to closed-off cabinets and hello to open shelving and display cabinets. This trend adds a touch of elegance and functionality to your kitchen. It's all about showcasing your beautiful dishware, glassware, and even cookbooks. Not only does it make everything easily accessible, but it also adds a visually appealing focal point to your kitchen. Consider mixing and matching different textures and materials to create a unique display that reflects your personal style. If you want to make a bold statement in your kitchen, a statement backsplash is the way to go. In 2023, we're seeing a surge in unique and eye-catching backsplash designs. From geometric patterns to vibrant tiles and even metallic accents, there's a wide range of options to choose from. Don't be afraid to experiment and let your creativity shine through. A statement backsplash can completely transform the look and feel of your kitchen. Sustainability is a major focus in 2023, and this extends to kitchen renovations as well. Opting for eco-friendly materials can give your kitchen a fresh and modern look while reducing your carbon footprint. Consider using recycled or reclaimed wood for cabinets, bamboo for flooring, and low VOC paints to minimize the release of harmful chemicals. Embracing sustainable materials not only helps the environment, but also creates a healthier living space for you and your family. The kitchen island has always been a central feature, but in 2023, it's taking on a whole new level of functionality. We're seeing an increase in multifunctional kitchen islands that serve as cooking stations, dining areas, and even home office spaces. These islands often feature built-in appliances, such as induction cooktops, wine coolers, or even charging stations for your devices. It's all about maximizing the utility and versatility of your kitchen island. And there you have it, the top kitchen renovation trends for 2023. From smart technology integration to open shelving, statement backsplashing, sustainable material, and multifunctional islands, there are plenty of exciting options to choose from. Remember, when renovating your kitchen, it's important to consider both style and functionality to create a space that truly reflects your personality. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with more exciting home improvement ideas.